Thanks to these hastily passed, untested, pandering laws, Springfield is now the most dog-friendly city in America. Yay! Arf.
Is there anything here the dogs haven't gotten into?
Just the dog food.
Why are you shutting me down?
You made a dog wait for a teeth cleaning while you saved a racehorse's life?
And you call yourself a veterinarian. Huh!
And you know what we found inside? Dogs in cages. That's no way to treat man's best friend. Lock him up, in a cage, like a dog.
Don't you understand? Dogs are born to follow and obey. The moment the pack realizes that humans are no longer their masters, thousands of years of domestication will fall away. They'll revert to their wild wolf nature.
Well, then I guess you'll be happy being nice and safe in jail.
Oh, yes, please, take me there now. You're all doomed. Doomed.
Kirk, Taquito is digging up my dahlias. Stop him.
Sorry. Please don't hurt me. Hey, I'm exposing my belly. See? Exposing! Exposing!
Grandpa, I called to make sure the kids are okay.
They're not okay. The boy's got sass, and the girl thinks she's queen of the May. You leave them with me, and I'll straighten them out.
I did leave them with you.
Why the hell would you do that?
Here, boy. Here, boy. Here, boy.
It's the alpha. I know that dog. It's the one Milhouse got when he didn't wet the bed for a week. We're about to die at the hands of a dog. Pause. Dogs have paws. Just remember the last thing you did in life was correct me.
Oh, that actually makes me feel better.
No! This has gone on long enough. You sit. I'm sorry.
Mom, you've become the alpha dog.
Dogs are nice. I love dogs. Because in dogs, we see the things we wish we saw more of in people. Lifelong friendship, unwavering loyalty, and a willingness to eat anything you cook. Foz, you belong with the Flanders.
Oakley dokley.
Dalmatian, fire department. Mr. Burns, the hounds.
Excellent. Since you were gone, all I had to release were the June bugs.
Willie Skinner.
Oh, good boy.
You'll have your day.
It's gonna be hard to cheer myself up after this day. Hey, little fella, you had a bad night too, huh? Come on out, I won't hurt you. Hey, you just licked away a very bad day. That a boy.